We all know how difficult it can be to handle the hair when it's already having new growth. Join me as I achieve the style you saw in the intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you're welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to be styling my hair, but this time is not DIY because not every time we're going to be doing DIY. Sometimes baby girl needs pampering, okay? So yeah, my big sis is helping me achieve this new hairstyle, which is twist, and I use Kinky hair to make this from Lush Hair brand. And yeah, at this point, my hair is already like 5 month post relaxer, and I was already thinking that I won't be able to manage this hair without putting it into a protective hairstyle that I have to like also need to add something to it so that it will carry me for 1 more month, because I'm planning to relax here when it gets to 6 month post relaxer. And I just didn't know how I could manage it. And the only thoughts that came to my head is just to like, do kinky hairstyle with it. So that's the reason why I decided to like do this style. And I decided that I should try something different. So I used two different color to achieve this look. And this combo, honestly, this is the second time I'm trying, different color on my hair, and it came out really nice. You're definitely going to see it at the end of the video, and I'm sure you've seen a little, snippet of it in the intro. So this is the whole process going gradually. This whole process really took us like I think over 6 hours. Yeah. So yeah, it didn't really take that much. Plus my big sis is also fast in braiding hair. So yeah, and I was just there enjoying myself. So let me know if you've used Lush Hair Kinky before. How was it? Did it disturb you during the whole process of, parting it to, braid the hair? For me, the first set that I did, I tried to like join it together the way we join attachment colors together, but it's tangled a lot. And I decided to like, what? My sis also said that we should just like use it separately, the black separate, the colored one separate. So, and in the process of doing it, we used water and leave-in conditioner. We spray it before we part it, separate it rather, to give it. And honestly, it became really easy. And another tip I should give you when you are doing it is that you should also like trim off the tip of the hair when you remove it, so that it will be easy for you to separate it. It won't tangle at the tip. So this is the final look of the hairstyle. What do you guys think? Do you think it's a 10 over 10? For me, it's a 10 over 10 minus nothing, and that's period. So this is the back view, and honestly, this combo is really nice. What do you think about the combo? Is this something you would try? Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.